1, 2, 3. Okay, we have a Bridgeport-Romi engine lathe, model TORMAX 13-5, serial number 002-083840-301. Machine was new in 1998. We're gonna run it for you. Machine is 13-inch swing by 40-inch centers. Right now we're running. Machine has spindle R.P.M from 50 up to 2,500, foot brake, forward and reverse. Machine is well equipped. It has a lever type 5C collar closer. We're going to a higher RPM. Lever type 5C collar closer. It also has a Dorian quick change tool post with holders, a steady rest, and a center. Also, the machine has a 3-jaw buck chuck with it. We're going to go to a higher speed. Machine's very quiet. All you hear is the collar closer. Okay. Okay, we're going to run some feeds and speeds. Right now we're feeding. Carriage. All right. Cross slide. Great. Have the lead screw turning, gauging the half nut, and we're threading. Okay, seen the thread and feed. Now we're going to show compound, tailstock. This machine's original paint, nice and clean. Has a backsplash. Hey, also you want to see the 3-jaw chuck, the drill chuck. Great, thank you for watching our video.